Follow these troubleshooting steps for when your external speakers are connected to your PC, but you're not getting any sound. The first thing to do is verify that the speakers are actually powered on. Any power LED indicator should be illuminated. Speakers without a separate power button commonly use the volume dial as the power control. Disconnect and reconnect the speaker power cable to ensure a secure connection, and plug into a trusted power source. Reseat the audio cable from both the system and the speakers. Inspect the cable, and if there's any physical damage, you should replace it. Check to make sure the audio cable is connected to the correct port of the PC. For this connection, verify if the computer is using either the integrated audio ports or if a sound card has been added to the system. If the system uses a sound card, this usually takes priority over integrated ports. If this is the case, the speakers must be connected to the sound card output port. Typically for the audio, the indicating color of the connector is green and usually has an output sound symbol. To test for sound coming out of the port, use a different pair of functioning speakers or headphones. You can also try testing the speakers on a different device in which you are certain the audio works. For a detailed guide on how to connect speakers or headphones to a Dell computer, click the link shown for direct access to the support site. Now let's go into the system and check out a few other things. Windows search and select Sound Settings to access the system sound page in Settings. Within the Output section, ensure that the proper audio device is selected. If you get a message that no output devices are found, or you don't see the device you know is properly connected, you can skip ahead to the Update section of this video. With the proper output device selected, you can adjust its volume. To test the device, click on it to reveal its Properties menu and click the Test button. Speaker volume adjustment can also be done from the Windows taskbar by clicking on the speaker icon, but you won't be able to test it from here. If you're having trouble specifically with your headphones not working, click the link shown to watch our video for those troubleshooting steps. The next thing to try is to update the audio drivers and the BIOS. Go into Start and open Dell SupportAssist. In the Home tab, navigate to Get Drivers and Downloads and click the Run button. SupportAssist will automatically detect any updates available, including those necessary for the audio driver and the system BIOS. Click Update, then click Install, and wait for SupportAssist to complete the downloads and the installation. In most cases, the system will require a restart to complete the process. Another thing you can do from within SupportAssist is to run the Troubleshooter. From within SupportAssist, go into the Troubleshooting tab and expand I want to troubleshoot my PC. Select I want to check a specific piece of hardware, which allows you to isolate devices for troubleshooting. In this case, look under Audio Devices for sound cards. If there are more than one, hover over each to see the name of the device. When you've found the sound card for the external speakers that have no audio, select it, and the SupportAssist diagnostics will begin. Verify the output device and initiate the sound card tests offered. Be sure to follow any on-screen instructions. When you're finished, click Done. If your external speakers are Bluetooth enabled, watch our video on connecting Bluetooth devices by clicking the link shown. If none of these troubleshooting steps were successful, contact Dell Tech Support through social media at Dell Cares on Twitter for further assistance. You can also check out the Dell Community Forum to see what other Dell users have to say. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching this Dell Tech Support video production.